Alright, so in this video we're going to show you a simple circuit using two e-stops and then a reset to control a reset for one relay, and as soon as that relay turns on it will latch in the first relay. Now simply I can just come over here and test the circuit by using this e-stop over here. This is real power flowing through this, as you see in the green as a simulation, and as soon as I hit the the reset right here, it will travel through and go to the A1 of coil 2. When coil 2 turns on, the coil 2 contact that normally open right here will turn on and then power up coil 1. Now when coil 1 turns on, it will latch itself in. So just like we're going to show right here, when I press this button, reset button, it latches in just that quick. Now that is a real life simulation of a simple circuit with a latching reset, similar to what we used to do back in like safety days, or when you, like, say if you had a main control relay in your system, you would basically have a simple reset just like this. Something redundant so that you didn't have to actually come back and then have to rely on one exact coil. Now this is just an example, not necessarily something that you should written in stone of a way you should do this, but this is a way you can do this, right? Just simply, and notice too that coil 1 right here has a normal set of closed contacts, so as soon as it turns on, if I hit the reset again, it's not going to cut on to coil 2. Even if I hold it down, it's not going to turn on coil 2 because the normally closed contact in coil 1, as soon as coil 1 is energized, it opens up and it will not allow power back to coil 2. Therefore, coil 2 is going to merely be a reset in this circuit. So if I were to hit an e-stop, any one of these e-stops, even if I have an e-stop down and hit a reset, it does not power up, right? There's no power traveling through that. So if I let the e-stop up and then I hit the reset, you see it quickly resets, it turns on coil 2, comes in and turns on coil 1, and that latches itself in. At that point in time, that is a latching circuit, and that is a simple illustration of one that can be used in the real world. Now again, this is just an example, so please get ideas from this. Merely open your mind up and express a simple circuit. This is just a 110 circuit that would power up, going through two e-stops, going through and powering reset, powering two coils, and then the first coil will latch itself in. Now with that said, hopefully you learned a lot on this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.